very careful. Hold, left knee, sit, left knee, sit. Easy. Try to get them dying a little bit, your left leg. Get your left, yeah. Watch out, yeah. Squeeze both seat bone a little bit. And flexion dying a little bit to the right by closing your fist and release. Close your fist and release. Opposite leg is watching. Outside leg. Yeah, so was right. You did go. Remember you should stop in the corner. Always either before the corner or after the corner. Very nice. Good, Petya. Very nice. Give a little bit to left. And walk easy. Squeeze both seat bone. Yes. Flexion dying a little bit to the right. Left knee. Good. Not too much. Close and be soft. Close your fist and be soft. Yeah. And die a little bit to the left. Control the outside. Yes. Close and be soft. Did you see what I did say? Watch out the outside. Reading outside leg when your flexion goes to the left. So this is also some question. What is inside and what is outside? Inside is the flexion movement and give, flexion and give, flexion and give. You see, the horse is flexion now to the left. A little bit too much. Now this left leg is really the inside leg. And the outside, the right leg, is the outside leg. Where your flexion was, where you bend your was, there is inside. And the opposite side is the outside leg. And walk on here. Relax foot, relax the shoulder. Yes, good. Gentle. Good so. Wonderful. Look how nice you remember yesterday. Did you see it yesterday? Yeah?